Are you planning a trip to Pakoštane, Croatia this year? This is your ultimate guide to the best beaches in the area. From crystal clear sandy bays to hidden rocky retreats, we explore everything this Mediterranean gem has to offer. In this video, we use 4K drone and GoPro footage to give you a real look at the coast, the shade, and the sea quality. Pilatuša is widely considered the most beautiful beach in Pakostane. It offers a stunning combination of Mediterranean pine forest, white pebbles, and sandy patches underwater. The natural shade is exceptional, making it perfect for a full-day stay without needing an umbrella. Situated right at the edge of the town center, Punta is the go-to spot for a quick and easy swim. It's a pebbly beach with clear blue water and a great view of the nearby islands. It's ideal for those who want to stay close to the local restaurants and bars. These are the main town beaches, stretching along the coast with plenty of space for everyone. Janice 1 is more central and active, while Janice 2 offers a slightly more natural feel. Both are famous for having the most spectacular sunset views in the region. Part of the famous eco-resort, Pine Beach features a unique sandy bay with very shallow turquoise water. It feels like a tropical lagoon and is arguably the best spot for families with small children who want to enjoy soft sand under their feet. Located within a high-quality campsite, this Kozarica beach is perfectly maintained. It's a mix of pebble areas and paved plateaus, offering easy access to the sea. With plenty of facilities like cafes, playgrounds, and showers nearby, it's a very convenient choice. For those traveling with furry friends, Pakostane offers a dedicated dog-friendly beach. It is located in a quieter, rocky area where your pets can swim freely and safely. It's a peaceful spot away from the main summer crowds. Tucked away from the main paths, the FKK area provides privacy and a connection to untouched nature. The coast here is rocky, and the sea is incredibly clear, offering a serene atmosphere for naturists seeking solitude and peace. There is a large paid parking lot located in the heart of Pakostane. There is no better way to end a day in Pakostane than right here at Punta Beach. As the sun dips behind the islands, it reminds us why the Adriatic coast is so special. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Visit Croatia. Let us know in the comments, which of these beaches are you visiting first in 2026? See you in Croatia!